everybody, welcome back. Tim here, Gamma Vidi. Another quick one for you here today. We'll talk about the Foxwing awning, kind of the predecessor to the Batwing. I want to show you a couple of the model changes there and then answer that question that's been on everyone's mind. Will the new walls fit the old awning? So let's get into it. In back here, pretty much the same extrusion. The new ones have like a black anodizing on it, so a little bit slipperier, but the spacing is the same on both. Of course, great fits for the rack receivers we do. You can see the older aluminum hinges here. Case is pretty much the same. How they close this is the same. A lot tighter though. Very, very difficult to get everything in there. Definitely no space to add another extension wall, but let's unzip this guy. I'll show it to you. So we unzip it the same way as the other guys. Let's undo this and walk this on down. And you'll notice I was able to get the stick bag right here. Remember, these sticks are separate on this one. And I've got a little room up front for kind of the stakes and so forth. So Batwing gives you that nice little pouch right here. It's also the thing that breaks the hinge. So you don't have that, these are separate. The poles are separate. So there you go, those are the first notable differences. Now up front here, they used to have this rubber strip that held all of the poles in place. And the new ones have a magnet now that holds this. If you want my opinion, they don't. But if they did, I actually like this better. They have these nice little plastic rests for these poles, and I thought it held these things in really, really well. Magnets, man, if you have any resistance at all in the fabric, that it'll kind of come off as you're zipping it up. But minor tweak there, but there you go, difference on the old guy. So let's set this thing up. Not too bad. You can live with the horror of having a separate pole. Wasn't that much longer, you know, penalizes you another, what, 45 seconds to set this thing up. It cinches to the racks the same way, you know, this with a strap back there. Pretty easy. I did run one guy line here, which you can see down on my recovery bag because this ground was impenetrable, so that thing's nice and heavy. It's not very windy, but you just don't want something to lift this thing up because it will break the hinges, right? That's the weakness of these guys. Here's that hinge. Kind of tough to see because it's behind the awning now, but there's those hinge pieces. And what those look like now on this Foxwing are these old cast aluminum ones. And of course they upgraded that to the black injection molded plastic on the Batwing. So there you go, those are the differences. See what happens on these walls. Yeah, there you go. So I grabbed a door extension and a non-door extension, zipped them up, zipped them together. I didn't bother cinching these down on the bottom here, but you kind of get the idea. You saw that before when you watched the last couple of videos. So answer, yeah, if you can find an old Foxwing, you want to buy the newer Rhino extension walls, 100% they are compatible and they will zip right up. And that'll do it. Poles are separate, bag's a little different. Other than that, kind of the same thing. Foxwing, great awning if you can get one, and compatible with the other sidewalls. So yeah, hope this was useful to you and hope you enjoyed it. What else do you want to see? I'll make another video. Thanks for being with me today, and I will see you on the next one.